How to fix Shopify login problems. Well, the first thing you might want to check or try to do is if it doesn't let you log in from here and you did everything correctly, you typed in your email correctly and your password, and it's still not working, you might want to wait a little bit because the Shopify webpage might have some problems of their own. So the problem might not be with you, but if you want to make sure, you can go back to this startup page here, and you want to scroll down all the way to the bottom until you see this black section here, and you want to go to support, and under that you want to look for a help center. Once you click on that, the first 4 topics which will show up here under start is your account. This is the 4th one. You can just click on that one, and here are a lot of different things you might want to check, but let's go to logging into Shopify, and here you will find everything you need to know about logging in and out of your account. You just follow the steps if needed, and you can also type in here your specific problem and an assistant will chat with you and try to sort it out. So just follow these steps and you should be good to go. And that's how you fix Shopify login problem. I hope this was useful. Remember to like and sub, and I'll see you next time.